Hey guys, how you doing? Tonight we're doing a quick shooting video. Hopefully I get some slow-mo shots of it, but it's going to be over the Tokyo Marui Series 70 nickel plated. Added some pearl grips to it. It's shooting about 330 FPS with green gas. We will be using some Valken green gas. So expensive. I'm a propane guy with silicone myself. I've been having trouble with that lately. Don't add too much silicone. If you add too much silicone, it will like waterlog your magazine. I guess it's how you would have to think about it. But yeah, Series 70 Colt government model. I guess you see the reflection in it. Let's get to shooting it. We're about maybe 4-5 yards away from this target. Even sideways. Can't miss a target from 4 yards away. Pretty sure this is the last round. Let's check. Nope. Not yet. Having my collection. Keep shooting, keep being safe, and ultimately have a good time, guys. See ya.